Right, Abusia, I had on a Tyra TV GH. Abusia, aha, a power extra so na me kai wo sa channel we no. Won subscribe ya me pacha wada Roma subscribe na e for mame. Se be ya always be a video de ba ya wo na obedi kan enya bi a share. Na comment na like na wa share e de amame. Na enche bia na ye ka che won say Nigeria ni be ma bia ye friend no Choppington wo ba bonte be kasa isa wo di school fees ayennwom ama bra panyi Shatta Wale ene emu nsam ye buburija na eno no na Shatta ate ye no ba bonte ye pa ai bra panyi no won kwaso me chia pa Shatta me chia na no no ba bonte no se hwe Choppington wo sesa ibi your mother wo bodam wo yare wo am say alia wo so wo se dia ba me Shatta baby ade be ko bia afako wo ma metwe kora won wonte hwie won Shatta no masam no me pa cha nyame na me ka me sere mo ada ene Shatta tutu bia mo no pa no se na me akura keto ene se ma yusu we ye news na enti nka we ne kura ne say Choppington music director wo come na say ne kura abusuafo we de moda woroma mumie ko video no emra ye ba
then you make the media people just lie to you so you feel say you work with somebody you won't be popular, you won't be celebrity, so you won't talk something make they get the coin and so it's on there like me all my friends, me and them, all of them, they go TV, they go radio, but today they not day anywhere. Ask yourself why. They got the best chance in life to change their lives and their families and their generations, but they just mess up. Today all the money they get, me and I they chop. I they get my stream money, they come constant. They must show you my DistroKid, my YouTube, my audio, my all the my app, everything. Bro, what are you doing? I beg, stand up and start doing something. Because you see, if you say go think of government, this place, that thing, you know they work for your government. You know they work. They see we all like with Jones. And we do the senior, if you know the senior, they see me like Jones. Sure. But now, but this cap by the way, no politician buy for me. This drug at the way, no politician buy for me. This thing at the way, no politician buy for me. This rollies at the way, no politician buy for me. Everything at the way be VBS, my nigga. If you just someone like this, my rollie, they no boss them down. This rollie, they no boss them down. I get my protect for that, they no boss them down. Bro, I dey make money and I dey live my life. And I expect everybody to learn that habit. So that it hard to start something, but start them. The time I dey play beats, I get people if I play for them, they know they like. I get my friends if I play in that, you know, if you go play for this side, like I say, yo, bro, if you learning process a day, if they just motivate me. All those my friends they right now, it's the same beat I play, where I take hits, where I take change my life, my own beats. My own beats, all my songs, all the hit songs you hear for town. That my own beats before I started to work with Park and other people where they come my life inside. Shouts to Naughty Boy. Shouts to Naughty Boy. Naughty Boy to they see that vision. Naughty Boy they follow my vision. And I like them. You know what I mean? I get plenty people with me and them work with, but I like Park. Naughty Boy I tell Park. Naughty Boy they like Park. If they know he play beat, he say me play. Because he believes this thing Shatta they do. Shatta never go forget and go. One day Shatta go get money and he and go share money. It no be about when you come meet Shatta Wale, if you say, no, my life for change. No be Jesus Christ who can't change your life. Maybe your mindset will go change your life. And because your mindset is not right, that's why they sit in a country where they misuse you and they fit talk anything. Because the people they know say if you talk anything. But I see not doing Shatta Wale. Hey. See, I say my friends they suffer. I can't talk. Nobody go to do the same. As my day, man, no be more like that too. You know what I talk for you. Me when I turn out, but nobody turn out passing you. So when they turn out, that was say this year make some foolish politician or some foolish police head or some foolish person just can do like Oh no, arrest. They go chop them a Moda. That nonsense thing where pastor threatening me, nobody say no, we threat to. But me, the answer they say they are cause me panic. They are modest. You my family people, we are cause panic for you. You my family people, we are cause panic for you. Me, the ask pastor tell me there are no panic. My father no panic. My mother no panic. Modest. Moda, God, don't come and tell me nonsense for where are they. You are there. I be angry. We are the angry. What go cool me down be money. What go cool me down? It be money. Make nobody can tell me nonsense. Oh, I say you said you got a Samara. Musumu sorry, go sound like now. Musumu go boot ya mobi papa. A Samara. Mutana Shatta chemo like waste no. Shatta chemo waste no. Bro, we politicians. Bro, me not clear like my Rollins. He did work with my father. The things my father do for people for Ghana here. If I say I go talk, one day I'll come and tell people know they tell. My father, he help people. He help my father, he help people. But just say that I won't do music. This music, my father warned me. My father, he warned me. He warned me. You know, now musicians in Ghana are poor. Like they don't want to fight for themselves. And these are the worst my father is. As I can't meet him. I can't see him. My father, what my father tell about Ghana musicians. In the same way. He's saying a politician, they tell them already, Ghanaians, we are moving to me shame. Now Ghana, they know better. Or better, or to go. And let's see protesters, when they say they go protest, they hold speaker, they play song, they dance, protesters. Then you wake up and say, make we follow you, they go protest. You are not angry enough. You don't see what we protesting. Recently, people see what they have in Kenya. They vex. Oh no, we are angry. Then they take school brainwash you. Some of you can't sit and then they speak English. I think the politicians when they don't know, bad man. I mean, I don't get time for that kind of thing. You don't go school pass me. Come up for that. The time you start go London, you don't go London pass me. Come up for that. Come up for that. Your eye no open pass me. The time I start playing with toys, you know they come up for that. Your eye no open pass me. Your school or you go no, you be in the taxi there no. Where did they take throw you away no if you talk no? Your school or you go no, maybe they take throw you for there no. Your school or you go no. Don't play like that. Be angry. Be angry. When you're angry, be angry. People fear God actually could you uncle with you. Bad man, nearly tell you something. I say this is my father self no. I tell my father if they still don't know where they try some stupid thing. I said they go take a report. It be cocoa seller. It be cocoa seller or maybe kebab seller or maybe some nonsense matter. Where go spark this country? Some nonsense matter. Because the nonsense they do for this country, they won't put fear for everybody inside. If they do, hey, munko chinumbra, but hey, munko yo, hey, munko, hey. If so, they did for the country. Like they never kill this day. But man, like we go die, like we blood go happen. But man, like it go happen the way for happen. Cause men vex. Which music thing they can't do then? If they tell to the artist, because of my foolishness, to the extent say that's why when I'm music in that they do so. Because when they tell them sense that they know 1 year, then I go sit with it and somebody where you say you want to make we solve problem, then they insult you. What Jimmy? I come in yamu. But the American say, who are Nyansa? And someone say, no, they shall take an Nyansa same. I say, I'm sorry, never go show. Now we have to quiet. Now we have to kind of move. Now my friend a career. Bad man, in no time, they're not going to call you again for show. And you go to sit down and go to wonder. And that boy go say, no. Then what Shatta they talk always be true. I need royalty. You play. Some of this every day there. You don't know how this streaming of songs they go like. You don't know. Bro, me I learn, you understand me? And what I learn for myself is best. And you know what I'm saying? Nobody's fucking controlling all my streaming platforms and shit for me. Every morning I see them for my eye. Bro, ask anybody around, they will tell you. Hey, I go give on God. I go put on God for somebody in platform making. Bro, go ask them. Me and me promote the work. Go ask them. Rather say it back because my catalog plenty de them. So if they didn't, they fit dash me money. Me promote. They fit their account at home. Yeah, because when I beg them, no said they owe me. Apart from that, I clear everything. My YouTube, my audio mark, my Facebook, everything. I monetize everything where they here. We tell you something, you know, if you want to sign this, like the thing be show now, be show now, show now. How they feel you put do awards and after they finish, pain go day your heart like they chop your money. But I know be traveling where you go make you rich man. Oh. You know be traveling where you go make you rich man. I know plenty rich men where they did this countries and where they no travel before. Mama, they get money past your grandparents, your great-great-grandparents. Because they understand what work is. They understood what work is. But when man they talk, when man they voice out these things, or they say like, oh, how, why, man, no, how get my Shatta, why I ain't talking like that? Why am I talking like that? You allow yourself, you lose God. You lose God. You lose God. Or be say, right, like maybe they come select African artists. Where they come say, me they go select me. They go select me. Go, bro, me I get money. Me I get money. So there's no way they go look me and look my no. Maybe they go pick up from Nigeria. Oh, Davido. Oh, Wizkid. Oh, this thing. When they come Ghana, where they say make artists can line up, there you go see. The poor way they wear that they sell for them and neck, and the poor way they wear chain for them and neck. Your favorites, then go to where you wear something. Can they there? Say it will be artist. But man, when I blend up, go see, it might be expensive. Or if you see the things that they but man, me if you know, say business day, my mind is like it cars and cars. I mean, I decide 3 years ago, I say I'm gonna go buy a car. All the cars I go buy, I go put for my business, and that be Shaxi. Go see how many cars I buy for Shaxi. Go see how many cars I buy for Shaxi. I create employment for people. Drivers they work, at least they feed them a family. You go with it. You don't want to even understand it. You see that no Shatta, sometimes the way they talk. The way who check say. I say you are not angry. Because who saw it will be some mommy 20 Ghana cedi. Me mommy papa be I know me since I leave house. Ask my father, I know they have some money. Recently my father they come out money they won't give me because you know say yeah they share 5 6 10 cedi for France and he won't give me. If no be that, like I know they take money from my father. What I go take money from my father? No. I never last time I tell my father I need money. I did make money and give my father some. I did make money and take watch my family. I did make money and take watch people. But if you take my body where I do something, you do like you want to show me some way, bro. I go cut you because you see where me I want reach. I don't reach there. Hey. I put a talk I build this house, I build this house. Bro, me I don't build my dream house. So. Me I buy houses, I buy apartments. I don't build my dream house. So you see that competition? You go build house today, in the next year it go be old house. Me I don't build my dream house. So I'm not there in a rush. Because I get that energy to work and get plenty investments. So I'm not there in a rush. So my dream house, I build my dream. No, you don't build your dream house when you are young. You build your dream house when you are successful. When you have been able to achieve it. That is where you build a dream house. Let me say, yeah, they want to show impression, they want to build something, they say, that, I mean, that's my dream house. Bro, I don't build dream house, I buy houses. Come and check this thing, come and check the house where they buy for them. 700, 800, 1 million, 1.2. That be me, that be Shatta Wale. So when you did that way, somebody go can tell you Shatta Wale, Shatta Wale, really Shatta Wale. Then you go to believe him, say, oh, then the guy, no, the guy, the way he did do it, you did lie to yourself, my nigga. You just fooling yourself. You understand me? Because me, I don't allow myself, can't wear coat and can't wear shirt and can't wear something and come there and come they make people feel like, oh no, come on, I don't want, I'm an artist. And they don't get celebrity for nobody but celebrity for here. I was saying my fans, me I be them my brother. My fans, they my brothers and sisters. And mothers and fathers and grandmothers and grandfathers. I no be celebrity for anybody for this country. Maybe somebody can tell me say, maybe celebrity, you know, me and can become the holder. I go they for define who be celebrity for this country. Cause see ya. Celebrity when you visit and go insult celebrity for TV and radio. Then people want make who take that job as celebrity. So you be celebrity. Yeah. Me government for define that thing for me. Hey, Mr. Basaa, I want to open Shatta Wale's company again. I was running a company like that, alcohol company like that. Everyone fans know Shatta Wale. Everybody knows I run company like that. And they bring them come back, make I can run my thing. No, don't come tell me I be celebrity. Hey, I not be the people. I be the peoples. Them are people. I be the peoples. Them are person. I be the peoples. Them are brother. I be the peoples. Them are darling boy. I be the people. Them are sugar daddy. I be the people. Them are Dada B. I be the people. Them are hard guy. I be the people. Them are president. If you don't like chop your saw me. The people. Them are president. If you don't like chop your saw me. I say that again. I don't miss words. Hey, saw me cry. Nobody for good can't scare anybody for here. Hey, talk me cry boy. Give me boy. Hey, be angry. Make nobody can sit your happiness stop. Make nobody can lie you when politicians and do this one and come and vote for all. Voting said they for pay you. If they go vote for them for pay you. Cause nothing there, bro. Every day America go vote. Every day UK and those Europe you vote. But I see Africa. When they tell you can't vote, say where you go vote. Sometimes they see people like people you don't be serious. You know see gutter the smell. You know they get lights. You know they get water. You know they get. But still you won't go stand and vote like this and like fashion. Ghana they be so Africa be so Africa said day. Because Africa, if you watch Rambo, say the whole gun, proper gun with the gun Africa or Ghana, they go to do war film. The war film, the gun the guy they hold, no. It be some capital we do for Abu Abu. Some carpenter. Where you just move some this thing, then you see yourself like, what's why you baby? Why most my war film? Jimmy, let baby Musa rolling no. Ni earpiece no ni amano Musa JB musician SS na wonte enti na ma bomb come VVS no Black Diamonds on it symbol of hope anu nie na me so makoye bibi na me so me artist Jimmy work hard Jimmy we watch everything blind too much because white people the people stand line and vote so we won't go stand line and vote because they say that be how the thing they go Jimmy. White people, them are there, they get incentives, they get things where you support them for the system inside. So they feel proud when they vote because they don't say, no, this guy to say he go bring some change camp, so he go bring something. Yes, so they feel proud and go vote. But they also come voting because also say, see a voting, that's why I voting. Here they talk. If you watch American movie before, America, you go watch horror movie, then the horror you go come out for the war inside. Boom, boom. The horror will come on. Then you go do something, then you go vanish. Only Ghana when they watch horror movie where the thing be scary always the guy will be horror they wear jalabia then put powder for his face then he put to say they fear then he put they call am horror movie some Jimmy ya some kwasiada say no man for my life mo somebody go put powder for his face and they call am horror just powder the same powder. Then they call out horror. When man they talk, then you know they won't get the points clear. You know they won't get the thing clear. They say like, well, why Shatta? If you do tell they talk, we like competing stupidly. We do competence by heart. Nonsense. Nonsense. I tell someone can see it do this. That's why this thing all it was I go see for French inside say the French people to go here. Because la horror, la français, la François, la look, la horror, la comme Ghana, la vient ici Ghana, oh horror movie, powder, Ghana horror movie, powder, Ghana, les garçons, la famille, la femme. Et look horror movie et la voix la para touch me. Le harade. Kosia. Obi awashe ni para bet very natural. Obi awashe ni para. E ya ni pa no koda. Obi awashe ni para. They say like the horror movie. People no know horror. People no know horror. Munja isa kwasa de no. Munja isa kwasa na mubufu. Mubufu ye. Mupek we do. Munja isa de no. I want to see go watch Commando. Commando go come out. Then maybe the whole piece of the if you only Ghana. Go see the gun. The gun is like the people or the aliens. Like everybody from space. In what they think for some boo. People they enjoy it. Then they say showing out every cinema near you. Then everybody happy. Everybody happy. Mama, munja is sad no. One a mama e brain. I swear I tell you the fact. Hey, sit up right. What must say? Cause Ghana we like yeah chuma baby. You only Ghana with Chewa they do movie. After the movie they say Chewa be witch. If you know be villagers, you go think like that. If you know be villagers, you know how many people do horror movie for America we they be superstars right now. Diabolo, the man can do Diabolo, all those Diabolo, that time that movie self can plenty of you, they don't born you. Diabolo. The man they turn into snake. As he do the movie. Right now, if the man go, they go by watch it, everybody run from there. If the man go church, everybody run from the church. They say goes on church where they go pray. Everybody run from the church. The pastor even run from the church. Why? Because the pastor said before the guy go turn snake and swallow him. Hey, pastor, wait. You say the cast demon. The man be Christian, but they do movie. So you go do movie where you go fit turn snake. As a man, do that thing. He go church, they run away from the church. Everybody run away, see the man go turn snake with the man. One day they see the man they walk out where you see some people where won't ask them direction. Everybody for the area run away. They say go bite them. Hey. Ghanaians, when? Sometimes they pay me. That was if I speak like this, they won't speak French. When I speak like this, I don't want to speak French because I should say if I speak the pidgin mixed with the English and when look at that, you put no if you understand. What Ghanaians, what language you put understand? For me to know that you are angry. Because if I watch timelines and you know, I watch people with my status and Ghana, gang pinging pony as hey. La femme, la mère, la oui, la vui, la boire, les patrons, les papas, à la loulou, la vraiment, la coiffe, la bottom, à la tui, à la pui, à la louis, pas louis, la louhaoul, s'il vous plaît, à la couille, à la lettre, à la montre, à la voilà, la loula, la paparapalapa, la paparapalapa, la paparapalapa. La rpala, a la pobre pala, a la pobre pala, a la pobre pala, a la poa, a la poa, a la pou, a la pa, a la li, a la, les êtres, à arbre, à al, a la cacre, Kuli, healing halai, siling kaleng, tuling, peling, calling, saling, paling, soling. Le fui pour la aitu, a pupu, aliku, abalu, alitu, a pinli, paluntu. Willing pilling, alam palang, salang, sulung pulum pilling, alam pepem. Lalantulung. Living pelling, la maison, la quilling, l'ankala, l'école, la balam. Alan Pulumbi, Alan King. Ga ala la la ala la ala ala la la ala 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 la la la. Asembe ni. It's the kind de min kan se an kan sana mwati ade na se. He, Ghanaians. Adidinda, durunda, palumpidin palumpa, palimpidin tale, tidin tulum palampidin pa. Up, I'm gonna only for the man, I'll even, only for the, only for me to similar for Valentina, Alabatum, Abetina, Alividi Cement, Tibina, Ibitina, when the fitting, somebody sinking thing with the meaning, Kinting, Cantan, Kinting, Alin Piling Pala, Alin Kudanguting, Alikudanguting. What I'm trying to say is that Alikudanguti won't take this. Alikudanguti won't take this nonsense life. Some against some elevading, Alifun, Upper Ghana Pony.
Yo, anya abusuafo yese ka akum ye je no kwaku anum. Shatta na aba ponti a wabetutu bi ede ama eye music director chopping thing. Wabetutu bi di ama no anye abusuafo yi. Wa wo sha swati ase wa ngasa wabeti ase. Aha eye power extra. Mr. Wada unsubscribe channel ya. Subscribe for me, like and share, no comment for me. What's up for Tess Brown? Me na me did you ready in